Hello, everybody. Welcome to HTS. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you being here. And on this channel, I teach a lot of website traffic. I also go over some software tools, stuff like that, to make sure whether it's good for you or if it's good for not. But website traffic is good for everybody. So I'm going to be discussing Tumblr.com because Tumblr.com, I do use it. I do use it. I've been using it for a while, but I have not been using it to its full extent. I'm going to show you here. So stick around to the end of this video. And also, don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. So we're all here to get better. You can make money online doing this. You can, but it does take work, and there might be some failure in the process because it happens to everybody. That's just part of the game. So here we go. Here we go. I wanted to take you to tumblr.com. Now, tumblr.com, I'm going to show you the analytics here and the traffic that goes to this platform here. But I do use it. I use it to upload a lot of my YouTube videos. But I could be using it for posting articles. I could be using it for reaching out to people that follow targeted specific niches. So I'm going to be showing you that here in a little bit. So and if you're interested in learning some more traffic resources, excuse me, sources, I should say, just come over here to my YouTube channel. I got plenty right here. I also go over, like I said, a lot of softwares, solo ads. If you're into podcasting, there's a lot of traffic here that could get you all that. So 6 million monthly visits. Yeah, so just go over here and check out a few of my other ones. So back to the video here. Tumblr.com. Tumblr.com received it's an 85 authority score, and that's pretty good. And let's see, organic search traffic 15.9 million. So that's a lot of traffic for any of you out there to potentially make sales, get your brand out there, get your product out there. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you could. There's certain ways to do it. So there's stuff for everybody. So sorry, I'm going through this a little too quick here. So worldwide, 100%. Okay, traffic. The U.S. gets is where it's mostly active at here in the U.S. Let's see right here. This is Brazil. Brazil is pretty active. A lot of keywords, and right here in Turkey. Yeah, right here in Turkey gets a lot of traffic. So there's a lot of traffic for all you men and women out there to get out there and get on Tumblr. If you don't got it yet, it has an app. Just put it to your phone and upload from there. It's pretty quick and simple. So I did some other research for all of you out there. If you're going to be using this, if you're going to be using it for ads, now you don't have to use it for ads. You could run ads. I'm going to make another video on that after I try it out, of course, because I haven't really tried out any of the ads on here first. So, but this is what I found over here. Tumblr's unique community appreciates creativity, originality, and authenticity. I hope I said that right. Here are a few strategies that tend to work well. Visual storytelling. Engage through user generated content. Blend with the community. Now, I'm not going to read all these here. I'm just going to go slow. Tagging and hashtagging. Influencer partnership. So you can get some influencer on here. Interactive interactive content, excuse me. Niche targeting. So mobile optimization and the list goes on here. So there's a lot of potential here for all of you. So here we go back to Tumblr. And for an example, I want to, if you're trying to sell an affiliate product, a lot of people like luxury. A lot of people want to become, what is this that just popped up? This has nothing to do with this. Luxury. Okay. I keep getting pop ups. I did some updates to my laptop and I'm getting pop ups and it's kind of annoying. But anyway, hey, if you're liking this, please give me a thumbs up if you're liking it. Give me a thumbs up so it could help with the algorithms of the YouTube channel, show it to other people. And later, if you feel like you like this content, please subscribe and tap that notification bell to get notified of future videos coming up. Because I want to show you something here that a lot of people are not really showing. So here we go. So anyway, if you want to try to market to, let's say, a cloak or some of these people on here, billionaire road. So let's go right here. A lot of people want to become billionaires or millionaires, and they want to. There's also a few here. You could also follow these just so keep them in mind. So it's kind of like having a digital list. So you just go here. You're like, oh, I follow that person. I want to send them this offer. So you could create a creative ad, a creative. Don't make it sound too business. Make it sound personal, and send it to them with your affiliate link. And who knows, if you do quite a few of these a day, it won't even take you that long. You could potentially sell somebody's product. This works in affiliate marketing. You want to send them to your e-commerce store, whatever it may be. However, if you are doing affiliate marketing on here, make sure the product you are promoting is not just for the money. It's for to help them. That the product is has a guarantee because your reputation's on the line here. So you don't want to ruin your reputation over selling somebody's product that isn't like the best out there, or one of the best, I should say. So there's a lot of good instructors out there and people teaching affiliate marketing, and there's quite a few that are really really great. So yeah, I just want to let you know that. So if you're going to be doing that, make sure you're doing it, how it was ethically. So and honestly. So here we go. You could go here, ask them anything, click there, send them a message, just whatever you want to do. Hi, my name is Leo, and kind of just go from there, and put your link in there, maybe if you like. If you want to start off with a conversation, they respond to you, and then you send them your link, or you could do it however you feel. I just want to put that out there. But there's also, I'm not going to do it for this example. Let me open this up so you get a full view here, because I also want to let you know about the you could do, oh, you could create a blog. Create a blog. Now, I created this one right here. I had ChatGPT help me on this. I had it here. I had it, copy, pasted it over. Now, this is just for an example. I'm not going to submit it. I had him go over my YouTube channel here and kind of explain in a blog for people to get my channel out there more, right? So it's basically free marketing. So back to tumblr.com. I went over here, I did that. Now I could add in here, I could go right here and place a link here, go to my channel or something. I could do that. See what else. I almost forgot. Add your hashtags. Those are really important. You're a digital marketer. If you're selling, recipes, you want to put recipes. You're doing cooking, whatever it may be, put it down there. Like I said, I'm not going to do this right now for this. It's going to save and draft. But anyway, I just want to show all of you out there that there is a lot of potential here. So my page right here, Leo's page. So let's say I was going to put that. Let me go back in there and check it out. Because if I was just going to put this, okay, now this is what I wanted to tell all of you out there. You got a lot of marketers out there, a lot of other channels, and a lot of them come up with these great videos for all of you out there. But the thing is, sometimes they tell you go to ChatGPT, have them have it write you an article, copy it, and paste it right away. Now the thing with that is there is I seen this video, this guy talking about put it on a vocal media, vocal media, I think it was. It's similar to medium.com. So I went and did it. I put my links in there, and all of a sudden I got hit with the red flag because they have their system set up to if it's AI content, their system will catch it. So here's a way to see if it's like that. So I had to go right here. I had to go right here. This copy leaks. It's just something I put in what's that called, in Google search, to search for a AI content detector. So I went over here, I copy pasted it, and I got all red. AI content detected. So when that happens, what do you do? Well, you could go back to Chat GPT, ask them down here if they could write it so it's not AI created. Excuse me, I got brain stuck there. Or you could go over here to a Spinbot. So Spinbot, let's see, it wants access to my copy. I don't need to do all that. I just need to get over all these X's. I could go over here, go like this, and then let me open this up, see if it gives me the full view. Then I could do a basic spin. And then I go over here, copy all this. It kind of take a little bit jumping back and forth, but you get what I mean, though. I didn't, the reason I bring this up is because if you're doing blog posting and everybody's using AI these days, you kind of want to make sure that your AI, if you're, it kind of has like a human texture to it. You know what I mean? So back to tumblr.com. I just want to put that in there because all this is AI generated, and I'm not 100% sure how Tumblr takes that, but I found out with that vocal media that it doesn't allow it. So just something to keep in mind to all of you men and women out there. So I went over the targeting your like right here in the luxury target, send out messages, or do the blog post. You could also get a domain. You could go ad free. Uh, there's quite a few things you could do on this platform. Tumblr.com, website traffic. You could get a lot out of here. So, like I said, if you want more traffic sources, go ahead and come to my channel here, and I have a lot for all of you out there. Thank you very much for watching this video. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know I dive kind of deep into, going into the AI content detector and Spinbot. I just wanted to give you those extra benefits because some people just tell you go right over there and do this and that. Next thing you know, you get a red flag, and sometimes that platform marks your name, and they kind of they could even ban you from doing that. So I just want to put that out there for all of you out there. Thank you very much. You have a good day, good night, stay blessed, and subscribe if you like this video, if you like this channel.